Let's go and surprise my elder sister. She told me yesterday that I should come. I thought I won't be able to make it because I was so stressed yesterday. So this morning, my sisters and my mom, they asked me where I was going. I told them I'm going out. She asked me. And they are just trying to monitor Bulunlo. Tell us. They might spoil my surprise. So I just tell them that when I get there, I'm going to call them. She says, are you going to this place? I said no. Are you going to this? I said no. And I said, then when I get there, I'm going to talk to you guys. So let's go and surprise my sister. I've been to her house just once since she got married like 2 years plus now. And now she's telling me, come and help me to do some things. So let's go and surprise her. I actually told her I was not coming. So let's see her reaction, huh? I hope they will not spoil my reaction and call, because my sister and my mom, they can be so fun. They can call my sister, mom, that bro in love. So yeah, let's go. I hope they will not spoil my surprise. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys when I get there. See, it's not easy to get this house, but I made sure that I did not call her. But this is past, I think this is past 8. It's so nice. So let me walk into their house and see. Wow, finally I'm actually get to their house. It was so easy, guys. I actually called my younger brother that she knew me, imagine she know. That one too was just saying, he said doesn't even know how to describe the road. I was like, don't bother, I will sort myself out. So this is the moment I enter into their gate. Upstairs, I was confused. See, is it this staircase? Is it the other staircase? Oh my god. So this is when I get to their door. I'm like, oh, finally, oh, she know, yeah. I was excited. So when I got there, I knocked. They were saying, who's there? Okay, the place. You come and carry me. Who's there? God, who's there? And I knocked again. I knocked. The who is that? He turned back. I said, me, I'm not going to talk because this surprise is going to be spoiled if I talk that it is me or so. Say like. I kept knocking. So later on, the husband, who is that now? I said, okay, they play. I knocked again until, well, I think he was not talking to his wife, my sister. Now, who is at the door that is banging at our door like that? We are not expecting any person. Do you understand? I kept knocking, no. You guys, whether you like, when you feel uncomfortable about it, you come and open the door for me. You come and, my sister was not expecting me at all at this point. I just told myself I was going to surprise her because family first, right? I can do anything for my family. Though today is 26th and yesterday was 25th, so I was cooking all through. I couldn't have time for myself to even go outside. I was just cooking from morning to evening. I was so tired, you know. You guys understand on 26th I posted that I made two jollof rice, like jollof rice on 25th. Now I have to come to my sister to come and help her to cook because her in-laws are coming. This is me laughing. When they were shouting, who is that now? Let me continue my gist, Jerry. This is the moment that I kept knocking into the bathroom. And now I'm here to help my sister to make fried rice, jollof rice, handle yam again for her in-laws, okay? So this is me. Let's go.
Hey, what surprise? Are you sure you're not surprised? Are you sure? It's so good to see you, my sister. I'm fine, sir. Happy
Merry
New
Christmas,
Year.
Happy New Year.
Same to you, sir.
More success for us.
Amen.
I hope she has told you, her mommy has told you
No.
about the exam. Yes, this thing. I thought you.
We content creator and back explaining.
So to the glory of God, I passed my exam.
Congratulations!
Thank God. I finally passed the exam.
Thank God, though.
So,
thank God.
To God's glory, you are now a qualified and a chartered accountant.
Congratulations.
So Emma relents you. Please
God,
keep
sir.
striving, keep
All right,
striving,
sir.
All right.
You are going to have challenges, but keep striving. You will surely get to the end. And the sky is just our beginning, not the limit. We'll succeed all together in Jesus' name. Well done. We love you.
We love you too. Let's cook fried rice. This is the moment of truth. Yeah. It's not easy to do a food blog. Oh, you guys, anybody that I see that is creating content on how to make food, please give them kudos. They deserve better. They deserve a like. They deserve a subscribe button. They describe it like they deserve. I say they describe. They deserve everything. Please support them. You know, doing this content is not easy, my dear. So this is where I'm cutting my carrots. You know, I want to make fried rice for her. I've cut my carrots. Carrots was kind of plenty small. So I cut and cut and cut, you know. When this fried rice was ready, guys, you guys would not believe my your you guys are not there, so there's no way you can imagine it. Let's just imagine it together, ja. But it was tasting so delicious. Even my sister had to come in the next day and they was like, what you do? Like shit. Like you're doing it. This is where I was cutting my own. This is where I started mixing all my ingredients together. My green pepper, my sweet corn, the green pea. I pour the onions, the spring onions later. But all my carrots, sweet corn, green pea, green pepper, everything I have to mix together. I added my thyme, my curry, my my Maggi, my curry, and that was the basic thing I use. So I will mix them with my hand so that everything can mix, like everything enter into one another. You get, you get the gist of it. So it's not easy to do a wood vlog, sha. So I'm using one hand to record, and I'm using the other hand to, mix my ingredients together. So I was looking for voice paper, foil paper here. So I asked my sister, where is the voice? She said, but what do you sit at the front? So I use it. I used to cover it for like, I think, close to an hour. So when I was done, I couldn't continue vlogging. I just covered it now, and I couldn't continue vlogging. So I left for an hour. I think when everything was mixed together, there was going to be water. Heat, when you put something inside it, there's going to be water. This was the moment I was done with the fried rice, guys. It makes sense that this is where I was done with jollof rice. That
So guys, I just finished making fried rice and jollof rice. You guys see the picture? Oh no. I think God is telling me a sign that to start food business in 2024. What do you guys think? See that jollof rice, see the face is looking fan mora. Jollof rice. I think God is saying, woman, I want to start a food business in 2024. So I hope you guys like my video and subscribe, like, share, all of this stuff. You guys understand, right? Happy Boxing Day. This is the senior woman that came to help. Senior woman. She did do shakara. Shakara too much. Oh my god, so I'm done cooking. I'm done. Hey. Voila. My sister said, do you have to film all these things? Do you have to? I said, yes, I have to show my people, my first lover. Hope so. I'll see you guys later. Bye.